not to do in a scary movie. So you're gonna watch it, and you're gonna like it. Here we go. The first thing you shouldn't do in a scary movie is trip and fall. I mean, seriously. How dumb can you get? You are a loser. Number 2. Don't answer the door under any circumstance. Just don't. Who is it? Pizza. Okay.
I'll just beat these here.
Third thing not to do in a scary movie. You don't want to kill the wrong person. Got it? The fourth thing you should never do, seriously, really, is to never check your closet. Never do that. So, check your closet. You don't know what's in there. So maybe you shouldn't check your closet. So, maybe you should just stay out of scary movies, actually. It'd probably be a good idea. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.
Do you have the time to listen to me whine about nothing and everything all at once? I am one of those melodramatic fools, neurotic to the bone, no doubt about it. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes